Well, hello everyone. This is Anita White with Love Your Art, and yes, we are back with another video. In fact, this will be part 2 when we started this little mini series on how to do a Dutch pour, basically using very minimal colors. We started with the simplicity video, which was, I believe, video number 60, where we were using the base color along with 2 other colors to make a Dutch pour. Today, we're going to be using a black canvas. There's nothing on it yet, but we're going to be using this to add a black base to it. It'll be the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Black. And then we have the Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, along with the Artist Loft Deep Yellow and the Artist Loft Metallic Blue. Those will be our 3 layering colors that we'll be making a Dutch pour out of for a Dutch pour with just 4 colors. Now we'll probably go up to 5, maybe 6 in this series, just to give you an idea of how you can use very few colors with your paint, excuse me, use very few colors and form a Dutch pour without spending a lot of money, and how to reuse those colors within that Dutch pour. So we're going to show you that today. Let's get started with laying out our base color. This is the Artist Loft Acrylic Flow Black. Our foundation color, and as always, we want to make sure we have all of our edges covered, all of our sides nice and smooth. That way we have a very well prepared foundation to begin with. We want it as flawless as possible. And so we're going to pop our air bubbles next. And we are also looking for any uninvited guests to our party. We don't want to have any flaws in our canvas. We don't want any debris that may have come from who knows where and found its way into our foundation. We want to have this flawless as possible. Okay, so we're popping air bubbles to help us with that. And these beautiful colors that we have, I've not used them before. I've not even used a black canvas before. I tend to buy white canvases, but I have these around here. I said, okay, I need to use those. All right, so what do we have? Well, we're going to try it out. We've got our Permanent Blue Violet. And if you know me, you know I love this Permanent Blue Violet. All right, here we go, guys. We're going to try and give this an amazing design. Okay, and let's see, do we want to go this way? Maybe so, why not? All right, so that's the Permanent Blue Violet, which looks very red, purple. On that, we have this beautiful, love this deep yellow. I'm excited to see what these 4 colors bring us. If you're on a budget, this really does help you to minimize the amount of paint you have to purchase. And remember, all of our paints are mixed with Floetrol and water. So 2-to-1 ratio, we have 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. You add water only as needed. Remember, not all paints are created equal. I am wrapping back around with the permanent blue violet. And I think that's going to do it. We can do our torching now. I started to say, and all paints are not created equal. That means that even if they're in the same family, same brand, you do have to treat them as individuals. I try to treat my paints like they're people. We all need different attention. We all have different needs, and so does your paint. They don't all require water. Some require more water than others. Some require no water at all. All right, guys, here we have it, our opportunity to make something amazing. Let's do it. Very nice, pretty. Oh, is that ever pretty? Yes, indeed. Just hints of that yellow came through. Cells are developing. Got a few air bubbles. But boy, is this ever pretty. So simple. Simple and elegant with 4 colors. Just 4 colors, guys. You can do this. This is not difficult, and it's saving you money by not having to put a lot of paint in. And you can use these same colors, like I wrap back around and use the permanent blue violet again. Once I laid it down, you got to be careful about your color combinations because some colors can get a bit muddy, and you just have to be careful with watching that. But for the most part, it's yours to make magic with, yours to make it very special and very, very unique. I am so proud of this. Colors are so pretty. Let's bring you in for a close-up. Alrighty, here we are, my friends. Our close-up time. This is super pretty. That metallic blue is just glistening clear across this design. Those colors are just unbelievably beautiful together. You can see the cells and the lacing that come with it, making for an outstanding composition. I'm really pleased with this one. You can see how sparkly that is. And if you haven't, remember, just go ahead and look at the first video where there's 3 colors. Now we have 4. Our next video will be 5. On the first video, I used the Acrylic titanium white as a base, and I'm using Artist Loft Flow-Acrylic black to show you that you can use black or white as a base and still come out with something super beautiful. Look at that amazing cluster of cells on this end over here. I can't get them in focus there. But you will be able to see this is just so pretty. We have one studio light on, trying to give you an opportunity to see what we have here. Very nice. Very, very nice color combination. It looks like we've got some teal in there, or turquoise, with the combination of those colors together. And I'm just real thrilled. It looks like a lot more colors than just the 4 colors when you look at it this way. So let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Again, If you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button. We need you to have information each and every time we are uploading a video. Make sure you have that notification bell hit, and you can be sure to be notified each time we have another video upload. I am just amazed at the sparkle and the shine. You can see it there really close up now. I wanted you to see that it is very possible to use minimal amounts of paint, minimal colors, and come up with something extraordinarily beautiful. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Again, this is Anita White with Love Your Art. And until next time, keep loving your art and hit that notification bell so we can make sure you are aware of the uploaded videos that we have each and every week. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you on the next video upload. Remember, we're going to be doing 5 in our next video. Bye now.